Leaves may look beautiful in the fall, but come cleanup time, they quickly turn into a frustrating mess. That is where the best leaf vacuums and blowers come in, powerful, efficient tools that can blast away piles of leaves or vacuum them into mulch in minutes. Whether you want to tidy up your yard or clear your driveway fast, these machines offer a cleaner and easier way to maintain your outdoor space. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. LawnMaster BV1210 Electric Blower Vacuum Mulcher. The LawnMaster BV1210 rounds out our list as a budget-friendly yet capable 3-in-1 blower, vacuum, and mulcher. With a 12-amp motor, it produces a maximum airspeed of 240 miles per hour and an airflow capacity of 380 cubic feet per minute. This is more than sufficient for clearing leaves, grass clippings, and small debris from your lawn or driveway. Its 2-speed motor gives you control over the intensity of airflow, making it useful for both light sweeping and tougher jobs. The metal impeller enhances its mulching capability, allowing it to reduce debris at a 16:1 ratio. For anyone interested in minimizing yard waste, this feature delivers strong results. Despite its affordability, the BV1210 does not cut corners on convenience. It features a quick-release lever for switching between blowing and vacuuming without any tools. The included 14-gallon collection bag holds a decent amount of mulch and is made with a dust-resistant fabric that prevents messes. Weighing just under 9 pounds, this handheld unit is lightweight and easy to carry. Its dual-handle design adds comfort and improves maneuverability. Number 4. SOYUS Cordless Leaf Vacuum and Blower. If you want the freedom to move around without the limitations of a power cord, the SOYUS Cordless Leaf Vacuum and Blower offers a modern, battery-powered solution. This tool combines the functionality of a blower, vacuum, and mulcher in one portable package. It is powered by two 4.0 ampere-hour batteries, providing extended usage time, up to 90 minutes on low speed and over 30 minutes on the highest setting. This model is fitted with a brushless motor that offers up to 170 miles per hour of airspeed and 360 cubic feet per minute of airflow, which is respectable for a cordless unit. It even features a turbo mode for those moments when extra power is needed. The 4-speed settings allow you to adjust the tool based on task requirements and battery conservation. Number 3. Works WG512 3-in-1 Trivac Electric Leaf Blower and Vacuum. The Works WG512 is designed for those who demand a little more airflow and efficiency from their leaf clearing tools. With a powerful 12-amp motor that delivers up to 600 cubic feet per minute of air volume, this model offers one of the strongest performances in the electric category. It combines a blower, vacuum, and mulcher in one machine, cutting down your need for extra equipment and simplifying yard maintenance. Number 2. Black & Decker 3-in-1 Backpack Leaf Vacuum and Blower. For those who prefer the comfort of a backpack-style unit, the Black & Decker stands out as a smart and powerful choice. This 3-in-1 tool easily transitions between blower, vacuum, and mulcher modes, all powered by a robust 12-amp motor. What makes this model especially appealing is its high-performance airflow, capable of reaching 250 miles per hour and 400 cubic feet per minute. That combination gives it the strength to clear large yards quickly and thoroughly. The design emphasizes convenience and comfort. The backpack bag system not only allows for hands-free operation but also increases leaf collection capacity, reducing the need to empty it frequently. This is a practical feature for anyone with a sizable yard. Plus, it includes a flexi tube for improved reach and movement while vacuuming tight corners and odd angles. Switching between modes is easy, with attachments that snap on and off without tools. Number 1. Works WG5093 in 1 Electric Leaf Blower and Vacuum. The Works WG509 earns the top spot in this list thanks to its incredibly balanced performance and multipurpose design. It combines 3 critical lawn tools into one: a leaf blower, a vacuum, and a mulcher. This makes it ideal for homeowners looking to tackle leaf cleanup without juggling multiple machines. With a 12-amp motor, it pushes out an impressive airspeed of 210 miles per hour and moves up to 350 cubic feet per minute, which is more than enough to handle both dry and damp leaves. Be sure to check out the links in the description to grab the best deals on your favorite model.